Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today we're going to do something cool. This only works in my classroom, but the way to make it work is to double click on MT Tools, double click on the journals, and then friends, in the list find today's date, 06/06/22. When you get to that, you need to double click on Pong. Friends, when you launch that, you'll actually be in the game of Pong. When you hit play, one of you will be using the arrow keys, the other will be doing ASWD. I want you to play against somebody, have some fun, and see just how good you can get at the game of Pong. And good luck. Friends, as you can see, it even pops up when you win. Friends, I hope you have a ton of fun with this, and I hope it also gives you ideas of how cool your games can be when you're creating in fun. Friends, thanks for watching, and have a great day.